Right, so first of all, I've got no lights in this, so I apologise for the lighting, but there's my fuse board. So my leisure battery is under there, power goes around all the way through into my fuse board. Okay, so everything runs off my fuse board, even though I've got the switchboard over here. So we'll go from here. So there's a cable already in the fuse board, which is going over my head, and it's here. Let's do it on the front so we can see it. Sorry. So that is our live and earth. Okay. Good afternoon YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. I've started wiring up my 12-volt switch panel, and I thought, do you know what, why not film it and help a few of you out, make it nice and easy for you all. So let's get right into it as usual. So we've got a 12-volt switch panel. This cable here coming in is from my leisure battery. Okay, so we've got a live and we've got an earth off this cable, and on the back of the switch panel we've got a live and earth. So already I've crimped together the two lives. Okay, that leaves us with two earths. 1, 2. Now if you notice, all the other lives don't come with an earth, so we need to make our own earth block. So what we do, we get some connector blocks. In this one it's just two small bits of cable, and you link together. Okay, and the earth from there and the earth from there goes into the connector block, and it's as simple as that. Let me connect them together quickly and I'll be back. So that's basically done. We've got the live crimped together. We've got the earth into a connector block. Okay, we've got the earth from the switchboard into the connector block, and we link them together. So now if we wire anything up, like a light or anything, you run the live to the live of the switch you want to use it to, and the earth goes into the connector block. Now what I'll do is I've got a light ready to do it, and I'll do it quickly just to show you. So let me grab the light quickly. So this here is just a normal spotlight. It usually comes with a 12-volt plug, but what I normally do is cut the 12-volt plug off and hardwire that into my fuse board. But we'll wire that into the switchboard now. So right, let me put that down. On the light you got the black, the red, live and earth. Okay, so live, let me find a switch. So we use this switch here, which will be this. Okay, bear in mind this is just for the video, this is not how I'm going to leave it. So the live's on there to the live, and the earth will now go in always remember the cables, make sure the cables are pushed right in and they're tight. So that now should work, he says. Oh, actually, let me put a fuse in the fuse board quickly, right there. So I put my fuse in the fuse board and it's now lit up. Okay, so there's our light. It's in this one. There you go. And it's as simple as that. So I'll run it through with you quickly. Move the camera back a bit. So live and earth from the battery, live from the battery to the live of the switchboard. We got the earth of the battery into the connector block, the earth of the switchboard into connector block, and link it over with 2 cables. Then all your lives go to the lives and your earth goes into the connector block. Simple as that. Nice and easy, lovely jubbly, and it's as simple as that. So as usual, I'm not going to drag it out or anything. Nice and easy. If it helps you in any way, like, subscribe, whatever. If you need help any more, just leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you. But that's it. What's that, 10 minutes? So that's how easy it is. Let's not complicate things. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.